guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace or to remove your radio bezel. Maybe you wanna like change your AC controls or change the clock. Basically you need a stubby screwdriver, just 2 screws under here. I already get them undone, and then you just carefully pry this apart. Pretty hard to do this with one hand, I won't break this. Once you pry this off, nice and easy, just make sure be careful and wiggle it out nice and easy. The stock vents, they are pretty fragile. Well, this car's a 2000 Honda Accord, so you know the stock, these pretty fragile. So I had to replace the whole bezel because the vents, they broke, and the whole thing was just cracking, and it just didn't give the car good luck, you know. Yeah, so basically you take all these things out. Like, be careful because you know you do need some of these stuff like your hazard light and the AC and clock controls. You gotta disable all the connections. This right here is your AC control. You have one, one, two, three. This four. This one, two. This one right between there. And to take it out, it's these block screws. This one, two, three. This four, and this one at the top. You just take this whole thing apart. It would be easy if you undo all these screws. This whole thing would lift off, and then you just twist with a pliers. You just take them out, and then you get your replacement bulbs, and you just put them in there. That is how you take this apart. Right here and right here. These clips right here. This and this right here. This, they clip into here. So you gotta make sure you take that out, and then it's just raised up, and then you gotta undo all these clips. To put it back on, it's just reverse. You know, you connect all these clips on. A top tip is to put the bezel on first. This right here, this little piece, it'll make it hard for you to put this in and then connect it. And then once you get it connected, all you gotta do is just push it right back in until it clips. You put the 2 screws back on the bottom.
Bye! Have a beautiful time!